a chapter, acid, bases and salts. As you all know, acids are found at our homes. In our daily life, we come across with so many acids. Acid is a Latin word, acer, which means sour. Acids are sour in taste. Acids are highly reactive. Acid contain hydrogen ion. The chemical nature of these substances is acidic. Examples, lemon juice, vinegar, curd and tamarind. Now come to bases. We all have seen bases in our daily life at homes. For example, washing powder, soap, detergent, etc. So bases are the substances which are bitter in taste and soapy in touch. Number 2, the chemical nature of these substances is basic and they contain hydroxide ion. Examples, soap, washing powder, Digene, etc. Indicators, as the name says, which indicate something. So they indicate whether a given substance is acidic or basic. There are two types of indicators, one natural and one chemical. Natural is found in the kitchen like turmeric, haldi you can say, and chemical found in the lab like phenolphthalein. Now we'll discuss about them one by one. Number 1, if you talk about acids and you talk about indicator, acid turns blue litmus into red. So with the acid, red litmus, no change. Acid with the turmeric, no change. And with the acid, China rose will turn into dark pink. Acid, the phenolphthalein will no change. That means it will remain colorless. If you come to the base turn blue litmus, no change. Red litmus will change into blue color. With the base, the turmeric will change into red color. Suppose you get a stain on your white shirt and your mom washes it with the washing powder, it will turn into a red color and slowly it disappears. Base, China rose will turn into green color and with the base, phenolphthalein will turn into pink color. Now, we'll talk about neutralization reaction, means which neutralize each other. The reaction between an acid and base is called neutralization reaction. In this reaction, salt and water are produced with the evolution of heat. Acid plus base gives salt plus water with the evolution of heat. We can take an example of hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. It gives sodium chloride, which is also a common salt used in the kitchen, and water also. Plus heat is evolved. Sometimes you all have seen we all suffer from the problem of indigestion, or you can say severe acidity. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid, which help us to digest the food and which is important also, but too much of acid causes indigestion. Sometimes it is painful. To relieve indigestion, we can take antacid, that is milk of magnesia, which contain magnesium hydroxide. That means acid plus base neutralize the effect of the acid in the body and we feel relaxed and comfortable. Second is factory waste. The waste of many factories contain the acid. If we allow them to flow into the water bodies, it will kill the fishes and other organisms. The factory waste contain the acid, which can be neutralized by adding some basic substances into the water before passing the acid into the factory waste. Third is ant bite. You all know any ant or the bee stings into our body, it injects acidic acid into the skin. The effect of this acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, or calamine solution which contain zinc carbonate. Third is soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers make the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well if the soil is either too acidic or too basic. To make the soil neutral, if the soil is too acidic, it should be treated with the base like quicklime. The chemical name is calcium oxide, or the slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. If the soil is too basic, organic matter releases the acid which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. So before planting the plants or seeds, we should test the soil and we have to neutralize the soil.